Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. It's 1 o'clock at night in the UK at the time I'm recording this video. Get it out. At the time of recording this video, I need to show you something, and it's powerful, and it's one chart that is seriously going to guide you on your journey as to what's going to happen with Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Guys, you want to see this. It's serious. You need to pay attention. If it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Before I dive into this, got to keep it real in this one. I am not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. You need to see this. This is the Bitcoin chart of its entire history, okay? And I'm using two simple indicators. I'm using the 50-week moving average and the 200-week moving average, which is the red one at the bottom. Pay attention. Seriously, pay attention. Look at what happened in the past. In the past, Bitcoin had insane rallies. You can see that the 200-week doesn't extend that long, but if it did, you would obviously see something similar to what we see here, right? Meaning that the red would probably extend down. It probably would have come down here and you know, class this as its bottom. But look, 2013, 2014's top. When Bitcoin broke the 50-week moving average, the blue line, and I'm going to really zoom in. You need to see this, guys. Serious stuff. When Bitcoin broke this blue line here, we fell down, and we fell right down to this 200-week moving average, and then it broke above. But have a look, this was the end of that cycle. You know, you had this massive, insane run up, and then you had the end, which what it classes as a bear market, right? Pay attention. 2017 to 2018. You can see it right here. Clean and simple, guys. Clean and simple. We had an insane rally up 2017, 2018. When we broke this blue line, it fell down to the 200-week moving average. Pay attention what's going on right now. Bitcoin is on the thread, and I'm going to discuss this bit in a second because that was a fake out. Well, even still, actually I'll discuss it now before I show you this. Well, you've seen it, look. But Bitcoin broke this 50 line, you know, came down to the 200, held support, came back above, V-shaped recovery, that's what we call that. Look at where we are right now. Bitcoin is testing this 50-week moving average. Guys, what does it mean? If Bitcoin breaks this 50-week moving average, I 100% believe, based on the charts that I'm seeing, we are going to be going down to this 200-week moving average. It's as simple as that. And you can say whatever you want to say, do whatever you want to do. But with me, if I see a close, one candle that closes below this blue line, that confirms for me that we've seen the top of Bitcoin in this particular Bitcoin cycle, and it's coming right down to here, guys, 18,300. Now, look, it sounds crap, it sounds horrible to listen to, but I just want to put it on your radar. If you don't want to miss this chart, because I'm watching this like a hawk, you best believe. Become a Patreon. I got 7 tiers, take your pick. My patrons are seeing it right now. If you have my buy, sell, stake alerts, you will know exactly when I'm going to take profits on this. If it happens, you don't want to miss that. You want my sell alerts. It's my exclusive VIP partner tier. If you can't afford it, because this shows you the post, right? You can see when I buy and sell. If you can't afford it, go for my CEO partner tier, because that will give you my super alerts. I talk to you way before I do anything, way before I buy, way before I sell. So it's likely I'm going to go into this group, and, you know, in my VIP Telegram group, you get access to it. It's likely I'm going to go over there and say, guys, look, it's just broke. I'm getting ready to sell. They're probably going to sell before me because I've got to set up my ledger and everything else. So, you know, if it helps you that little bit more, go for my super alerts. But please, guys, and I'm going to try and bring this to YouTube as quick as I can. But, you know, when at the spare moment when you want to seriously take profits at the right time, these patrons can help you, the memberships, and tell up to you which one you go for. I'm watching this like a hawk because it's going to get ugly real fast. If it happens. Well, I say real fast. These are weekly candles. So, you know, real quick, how long did it take when Bitcoin broke from here? Look, and this is what I mean by a closed candle. This green candle here was the closed candle below the 50. How long did it take until it broke back above again? Or actually, how long did it take to get down to the red line, the 200 week? 196 days. So that was 196 days of, that was confirmed, well, 196 day confirmed bear market, right? This one was a short period lived. I mean, if we face this, fine. But what I'm getting at is that if it breaks it, it's gonna come down. And if it does something like this, that's a sharp drop down. Seriously, for a V-shaped recovery, could be possible. I don't know, but it's a sharp drop down if it does that. Bitcoin's bouncing off this, and just real quick, because we did see Bitcoin drop below down here, but look at the wick, look at the buy power that we've had. Right here, you can see it right here. We've had some serious buy power. Look at that. And have a look at the next day where Bitcoin went. It floated and bounced on here. So I can see that this is a significant part that we have to seriously pay attention to, guys. It's serious. Really, really serious. This is going to be the key all for Bitcoin and its cycle. But what does it mean for the altcoins? Because you're probably thinking, damn, well, do I sell all my altcoins? I don't think you should. I have a feeling that providing Bitcoin breaks it, if it doesn't, if it goes up, my God, we're going to see highs, newer highs, guys. I'm telling you now, we're going to see newer highs. But if it breaks this and it confirms a new candle underneath, just like what we see here, look, a candle underneath, you're going to see Bitcoin come down to this price here. And at the moment, it's saying $18,300. What's going to happen? People are going to panic. People are going to rush to take all their money out of Bitcoin and they're going to throw it into the altcoins. And I seriously believe we're going to see some serious altcoin season. Probably one bigger than we saw back in 2017. If you look here, right, this is just real quick, the crypto, this is the Bitcoin dominance. And if I highlight this area here, because you can see that there's like a faint white line that, came up, it really went up. This is the others, guys. This line that you're seeing, this faint line, is the others. And when I just hover over it, you can see here others. It tested towards the Bitcoin right here when Bitcoin was at it's 34%, 36%, 34%. We've never seen that with Bitcoin recently. What's the lowest we've seen Bitcoin? 40%. Right now, 40%. That's the lowest we've ever seen Bitcoin come. So we may see these others, the altcoins, seriously blow. This dark bluish one here is Ethereum. Look at this letter. Highlight it. That's Ethereum. Ethereum may come up as well. But, these others, that's the ones that are seriously going to blow, guys. And you're going to see a sharp drop in the dominance because people are going to take money out of Bitcoin and throw it into the altcoins. I'm telling you now, that's what I seriously believe. I can already see the dominance falling. That 39.8 up here. Watch the dominance. I'm going to leave it here. I had to show you this. I'm paying attention to this chart. It's powerful. Had to do it at 1 o'clock in the morning. If Bitcoin drops this, if Bitcoin drops and there's a candle confirmed closed underneath, I'm selling my Bitcoin. That's it. I don't care. Selling my Bitcoin because I'm going to wait for it to come down to the red line to buy back in again. It's that simple. Just my Bitcoin. And again, Patreons, you're going to see this first because you're going to be up to date with this. Again, if you guys are watching and you don't want to miss it, please do become a Patreon. I'm going to make sure you get it get it perfect timing, right? But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Tired, I'm going to bed now. It's funny because at the time of watching this, you're going to probably be watching it in the morning because I'm going to upload it in the morning. But cheers.